Well, here we are. Got old Red out. Getting her ready to head to the beach in a couple of weeks. Not very long from now, heading to the beach. Cleaning the motor out from the last trip. She's still dirty inside, but getting ready to do a little cleaning. A little spring cleaning on the boat here. So I want to give thanks to Full Throttle Performance and Costa. The best. Always have that on there as well. Matthew 4:19. And the wraps. My DLS wraps. Great job. So anyway, getting it ready. Got the Dodge ready to pull it. So it's time to tango. Lula Bell. Lula. Luda. Sit. Lula. Lula. Sit. 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 Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. She's got these big old bloodhound ears. We adopted her. I got another one inside. Her name's Shimano. So, and again, there's the lift on the old Jeep. Got to get some new shoes for her. But the Jeep don't pull that. That's a lot of weight. But I thought about trading it in for a bass boat. I don't go offshore that often. I think it'll be cheaper for me instead of pulling the boat down to the beach all the time, or 3 times a year. You know, spending fuel in the boat. It holds 100 gallons of fuel. The truck pulling it 250 miles there and back, and I could trade that in on a nice bass boat, probably a Ranger or Nitro, and have more fun around here bass fishing. And I know that's pretty sad to say, but I'm really thinking about it by the end of this season, offshore being done, and calling that my last ride as a captain on my own boat. So might be what happens. You never know. But anyway, y'all have a good day and have a good week. It's Monday, and I'll try to wet a hook sometime coming up. Try to. Ain't that right, Lula? Lula. I'll try to wet a hook before long. So anyway, y'all be good. Have a good one. See you. Bye.